Hey guys, are you want to buy best 3.5mm audio cable? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best 3.5mm audio cable that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description. Boxbello. So now let's get started. Starting at Syncquire 3.5mm nylon braided O cable. The Syncquire 3.3 feet nylon braided O cable offers universal compatibility, working flawlessly with any device featuring a 3.5mm audio jack including iPhones, iPads, laptops, car stereos, speakers, and more. Note: not compatible with LifeProof or OtterBox cases. Designed for superior sound. Its two 4K gold-plated connectors ensure clear stereo audio with minimal signal loss or noise. Built to last, the cable boasts a 15,000 bend lifespan, making it ultra-durable and tangle-free for daily use. Thanks to double shielding, it resists interference, and the included cable organizer keeps things neat and easy to store. Whether you're commuting, gaming, or relaxing, this O cable is a reliable and high-quality audio solution. Backed by HEE. Backed by a 3-year warranty, user guide, and excellent customer service. It's a smart investment for any music lover now. Our second product is Ugreen 3.5mm audio cable, the Ugreen 4-pole. 3.5mm male-to-male audio cable is a premium solution for transmitting both audio and microphone signals. Perfect for gaming, video calls, or streaming. With TRRS jacks, it supports mic functionality on headsets or external mics connected to PCs, smartphones, and more. Engineered for hi-fi stereo sound, it features silver-plated copper conductors, 3-layer shielding, and 24,000 gold-plated plugs for stable, noise-free audio transmission. The upgraded nylon braided jacket, reinforced wire joints, and aluminum alloy shells ensure superior durability, surviving over 10,000 bends without tangling or wear. Designed to fit all standard 3.5mm ports, it's universally compatible with devices like TVs, laptops, consoles, PS5, Xbox, Switch, smartphones, and sound systems. Whether you're connecting a phone to a car stereo or a headset to a PC, this versatile and robust O cable delivers reliable, crystal-clear performance. Our third product is Ugreen 3.5mm nylon audio cable. Ugreen 3.5mm male-to-male O cable delivers hi-fi stereo sound by streaming audio directly between devices without the need for converters. Ideal for car stereos without Bluetooth, headphones with broken cables, or simply connecting your phone to a speaker. This cable is built for convenience and quality. Featuring a silver-plated wire core and double-layer shielding, it ensures crystal clear audio with sharp treble and deep bass while blocking interference and noise. The two 4K gold-plated connectors and reinforced brass shells enhance durability and resist corrosion. Its nylon-braided jacket offers over 10,000 bends of durability and remains tangle-free and portable. Perfect for on-the-go listening. With a slim, step-down connector, it fits snugly in all standard 3.5mm ports compatible with car radios, headphones, soundbars, laptops, smartphones, and more. A reliable and stylish audio companion for everyday use. Now, number 4. VOE-O audio cable. The VOE 3.5mm male-to-male O cable offers universal compatibility, easily connecting your laptop, smartphone, tablet, or PC to car stereos, TVs, headphones, speakers, and mono audio converters needed. Perfect for replacing broken headphone cables or linking to car radios without Bluetooth. This long O cable excels in long-distance audio transmission. With a high-purity copper core and dual shielding, it delivers clear, high-fidelity sound while minimizing signal loss. The gold-plated plugs and copper shell resist corrosion for enhanced durability and improved audio quality. Its nylon-braided exterior withstands twisting, tugging, and tangling, while remaining easy to store and portable. This tip-down design ensures a secure fit even with phone or tablet cases. Note: this TRS cable supports stereo sound only, not mic input. Built to international 3.5mm jack standards. It's a dependable and premium audio solution for everyday listening. And our last choice is Vano 3.5mm audio cable, the Vano 90 right angle 3.5mm audio. Cable is designed for tight spaces and hard-to-reach ports where straight connectors won't fit. Its right-angle plug ensures a secure connection without bending or stress on the cable. Built for superb sound quality, it features a 24,000 gold-plated connector, enameled pure copper core, and aluminum housing, delivering crisp, high-fidelity audio with excellent signal transfer and corrosion resistance. The cable boasts exceptional durability with a 10,000 bend lifespan thanks to its cotton-braided exterior and reinforced internal build using PVC and eco-friendly materials. The slim connector easily fits through most phone cases. Bulky cases may need to be removed. Universally compatible with smartphones, MP3 players, tablets, laptops, Bluetooth speakers, and more. The Vano cable combines performance, style, and long-lasting reliability in one compact package. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.